Step 1. Download and install the LaView app, complete the registration process. Step 2. Make sure your phone is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Click the plus icon to add the camera, select video surveillance, then smart camera. Step 4. Power on the camera by connecting the bulb base. Step 5. Wait 1 minute until the LED indicator flashes slowly. If the indicator is not in the right status, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds to reset the camera. Step 6. Enter the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password to generate a QR code that contains your Wi-Fi information. Ensure your Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz. Step 7. Use the camera to scan the QR code on the phone from 8 to 12 inches away. When camera reads the QR code, it will send out a voice prompt. If the camera keeps failing to read the QR code, move the phone slightly back and forth towards the camera. Also, ensure the lens of the camera is clean, and the QR code on the phone is complete. Step 8. Press I heard a beep when the camera beeps, and the camera will start pairing. Step 9. Wait until the camera is connected online, and registered to your account. Now you can start using the camera.